Hello. In my hands I have two Danfoss stainless steel manifolds suitable for heating and cooling systems, usually used for underfloor heating cooling systems, but sometimes also may be used also for radiators or convectors. Okay, the question is which one of them is better and which one I would recommend you to use. So let's compare. Manifold with flow meters is sometimes appreciated by some installers just because it has flow meters and you can visually see if there is any flow. Flow is a bit limited till 60 degrees. So this means you cannot exceed flow temperature to a manifold with flow meters up to 60 degrees Celsius. For manifold without flow meters, supply temperature may be supplied up to 90 degrees. Pressure class means working pressure for manifold with flow meters cannot exceed 6 bars, and the pressure class or working pressure for manifold without flow meters should not exceed 10 bars. Delta P means differential pressure for thermostatic valve integrated into return manifold is same for both manifolds, and it is 0.6 bars. I would like to talk a bit flow meters. Flow meter is somebody thinks it is quite convenient thing, and it is convenient to see how much flow you have here in each, let's say, coil, each circuit. But to have this visualization, you have to pay. It is not free of charge, just because to move this thing which shows you certain amount of flow, you need some energy, and energy comes from flow. So this means you need to sacrifice some maybe 3, maybe 7 kilopascals for this flow meter to have this visualization. And it is up to you to decide if you want to pay this extra amount. So how much it is? 7 kilopascals. It is something like 12 or from 12 till 30 kilowatt hours per heating season. So if, for example, energy price, electricity price is 20 euro cent, you will pay extra 2 till 6 euros for manifold with flow meter. So recommendation, which manifold to use where, would be like this. Let's say single family house, up to 4 manifolds. It would be quite big single family house, probably up to 300 square meters. So it might be that the manifold with flow meter would be, let's say, a good choice to use, because you don't need balancing valves for such small system. You can just place 4 manifolds and get rid of any balancing valves, manual or automatic. Probably they are not needed, because you can make commissioning with presetting. Presetting here, we have video on this. You can see the link in the description. So all circuits can be managed and can be balanced with these thermostatic valves, which has presetting. And if this doesn't help, then you have some additional regulation here with flow meters. So probably balancing valves here are not very needed. And if you have Icon 2 smart control system, it has automatic balancing with actuators, so this additionally helps to have right flows in your single family house. So probably this would be my advice for manifolds with flow meters. Okay, and where to use then manifold without flow meters? So I would recommend this for probably multi-family houses, for commercial buildings, and buildings bigger than 300 square meters and bigger than let's say 4 manifolds. But then you need to use delta P controller here. Means automatic balancing valves are necessary, so we're limiting delta P for 1 manifold. So we usually do this with flats. We put delta P controller in front of each flat, and then we have only commissioning with presetting with those integrated valves with presetting. These valves integrated are same in a manifold without flow meters and in a manifold with flow meters. So smaller systems, flow meters; bigger systems, automatic balancing valves, and no flow meters. If you have any questions, doubts, or you disagree with this proposal or recommendation, please comment and we can discuss. Thanks for watching. See you.